Iran Metro, fast, crowded, and full of untold stories. If you ever travel to Iran, one of the first things you'll probably experience is the metro, the fastest and most affordable way to get around in big cities. But did you know that Iran's metro system is considered one of the most advanced transportation systems in the Middle East? It's actually more than just a transportation system. The metro in Iran is a world of its own. From women-only carriages to vendors selling anything you can imagine. And of course, stations that are attractions themselves. How does Iran's metro look? How safe is it? How clean is it? And most importantly, how can you use it like a pro? In this video, I'll show you everything. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sharare Ujan, where I'll take you on a journey to discover the real unfiltered Iran. Tehran Metro, the beating heart of urban transport. Tehran Metro is the largest and busiest metro network in Iran. Launched in 1998, it now operates with 7 active lines and over 150 stations, making it one of the most advanced metro systems in the region, with key lines running north to south and west to east. It covers most of the city. Additionally, Line 5, Iran's first intercity metro line, connects Tehran to Karaj. Facilities such as air conditioning, numerous shops, and modern high-speed trains provide a comfortable experience for passengers. Karaj Metro on the path to expansion. The Tehran-Karaj Metro connects Tehran via Line 5 to Karaj, the nearest major city, about an hour away. Due to heavy daily commutes for work, this is one of the busiest routes. The expansion of Karaj internal metro lines is also underway. Mashhad Metro. After Tehran, Mashhad was the first city to launch a metro system in 2010. It plays a crucial role in transporting passengers, particularly pilgrims visiting the Imam Reza Shrine. Other cities like Isfahan, Shiraz, and Tabriz have also joined the metro network. Some of their stations are now operational, while further expansions are in progress. Why is metro the best option? High speed, no traffic, always on time. Cost effective, much cheaper than taxis or private cars. Eco-friendly, helps reduce air pollution. Safe and secure, one of the fastest forms of public transport. Complete guide to using the Tehran Metro for foreign tourists. If you are a foreign tourist in Tehran, using the metro is a smart choice, considering the city's constant heavy traffic. How to buy tickets? There are 2 tickets options. One, Tehran Metro card. Buy and recharge this card at ticket booth or machines in metro stations. It can also be used on buses. Number 2, single trip tickets. Ideal if you plan to take just 1 or 2 metro rides. Know the metro map and routes. Tehran's metro has 7 active lines at the moment, with the most important ones being Line 1 red, north to south Tehran, Line 2 blue, east to west, Line 4 yellow, covers Mehrabad Airport, Line 5 green, connects Tehran to Karaj. Tehran Metro operating hours from 5:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. Rush hours 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 7 p.m. Expect crowded trains. Travel outside these times for a more comfortable ride. Don't speak Persian? No worries. Most metro signs include English translations. Ask for help. Iranians are friendly and hospitable. If you are lost, someone will likely help you. Safety. Tehran's metro is generally safe, but keep these tips in mind. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially during rush hours. Avoid overcrowded trains for a more comfortable ride. If you need help, look for a metro security staff. How to get to Imam Khomeini Airport by metro. To reach Imam Khomeini Airport via metro, take Line 1 Red Line to Shahr Aftab station. Transfer to the Airport Express train, which will take you directly to Airport's Terminal 1. Unique features of Iran's metro system. Number 1, women-only carriages. One of the biggest differences between Iran's metro and many other countries is the women-only sections at the front and end of each train. Women can also travel in general carriages, but this option provides extra comfort and security. Number 2, street vendors inside metro. In Iran's metro, especially in big cities like Tehran and Mashhad, street vendors play a noticeable role in the stations and train carts. They often sell a variety of items such as snacks, drinks, phone accessories, small bags, and clothing to passengers. Although some riders find their presence disruptive, for many others it provides a convenient chance to buy affordable and quick products during their commute. This phenomenon is part of the urban culture and informal economy of the metro, bringing both positive aspects and challenges in terms of order and security. Extremely low cost. Compared to metros in countries like Turkey or the UAE, Tehran Metro is one of the cheapest public transport systems. Stations with unique architecture and design. Some metro stations in Tehran and other cities in Iran feature distinctive design that are rarely seen in many metro systems around the world. Meydan-e-Jihad Station, decorated with traditional tilework inspired by Iranian architecture. City Theater Station boosts an artistic atmosphere connected to the cultural identity of the area. Stations with art galleries. At several Tehran metro stations, art exhibitions are held, allowing passengers to view artwork in the metro corridors. Cleanliness in Iran's metro. The cleanliness of stations and trains in Iran's metro system is one of its notable features. Despite the large number of passengers, efforts are made to keep the metro environment tidy and organized, providing a comfortable and pleasant experience for travelers. Regular cleaning and the availability of trash bins at stations play an important role in maintaining this cleanliness, reflecting the emphasis on public hygiene within Iranian metro. Metro station dedicated to the international exhibition. Tehran's metro has a station specifically connected to the Tehran's International Exhibition Center. This makes it easy for visitors to access the exhibition during events without needing taxis or private cars. Despite challenges such as crowding and delays in development, Iran's metro system has unique features that set it apart from many metro systems worldwide. Now you tell me, have you ever visited any of metro stations in Iran? What did you think of that? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Bye.